Alright guys, I've seen you guys been copying all of those coldest bottles. I don't know if you guys were the reasons why it got to like 90% sold out. The link is going to be in the description box where you guys can buy your coldest bottles. For those who don't know, blackout is going on at the coldest water, up to 50% off selected random drops throughout the month, and up to 20% off the entire website at thecoldestwater.com/blackout. Now, I do look very rough right now because I recently lost my best friend. And if there's one thing that I learned from my best friend was always gifting someone something. You know, gifting people while they're still here, while they are alive. A lot of stuff that I have been gifted to me by my best friend. The Christmas season is coming up. It doesn't have to be a coldest bottle. If that's what you want to get for your loved one, go out there and get it. But it could just be a sweater that they wanted. It could just be the shoe that they wanted, whatever the case is. Or sometimes it could just be you being there. Maybe that trip from the US to the islands, Jamaica, or wherever you're from, just to see your family. I'm sure they're going to appreciate it. Yeah, I'm going to get into the video before I start crying because I've done a lot of that. Anyway. I'll catch you guys soon. Oh my God, guys. Today it's Carnival in Miami. Well, first of all, welcome by the Second Island. I'm so with you guys over here, always smiling. But I'm a little bit disappointed, man. Like, I threw in my energy boosters in my coldest bottle. But of course, can't bring it in. So, I'll be leaving my bottle today. Like, I thought it was like the perfect event to be able to take it in because you're going to be hot, you're going to be sweating. And yeah, anyway, hit the link in the description box to go grab your coldest bottles, even though you might not be able to take it into Miami Carnival.
Sorry. We didn't use it.
Oh yeah, shots before we leave.
Charles, how old is that Hennessy's privilege?
Charles,
Mask on the floor.
there's no pressure.
Food on the floor. Here
Okay,
on the
okay.
floor.
Where's my cup?
What's your cup?
You didn't get
My
nothing,
cup.
get some
Yeah,
water,
yeah,
bro.
yeah,
You
get
talking
no
about
cup.
your cup.
Yeah,
Thank you
but
very
where's my cup?
No!
What do you mean
Well,
now?
to make her drink a little.
Julian,
One
that's
shot
it,
up, not
hers?
too much.
This is
Oh,
yours.
You
Julian
take that
said
shot.
This
one.
is mine.
Sorry,
Hold on,
Spiliano.
Julie was
Oh.
Nothing to me.
Oh.
So where's yours?
This I know for me, I know. Everybody get?
Oh. Yeah.
Thank you.
What you
Shot.
Me not
Carnival.
Carnival.
Picture.
Oh my
See you, dear
gosh.
boomerang.
Sorry.
Carnival 2021.
Yay! Alright, so after about 30 minutes, we're finally inside the Carnival right now. You don't know, they got food here. I can smell fried chicken. I smell a little bit of jerk as well. Yo, you can smell those flavors coming through. So you probably might get something to eat. Very first Miami Carnival, and let me tell you, man, yeah, seems like a vibe so far. Well, not post, but during the pandemic and stuff, people still showing out. So a bunch of people that's here, man, a lot of people. find where a lot of people are so we can choose a good one, but I think I might choose a couple, especially the Caribbean cuisines I've never gotten the chance to try. I think it's gonna be amazing here because I don't know, shark, bakes, all them things there. It's gonna be here because the whole Caribbean diaspora is out here today. Yo, just so you know, brother, the girl them look good, man, I'm not gonna lie, they're beautiful in their costumes, it's ridiculous. And we definitely getting one of those lemonades, they look good. Well, I don't want the frosted one, I want the one with the lemons that I saw in there. Yeah.
And the fried corn.
And the fried corn. Roasted corn. Alright, sounds like our vibes. I'll patty them up over here to rot it. Whoa. That's amazing, man. Everything, yo. Anyway, so which one we are choose? Where we are go?
Okay, food.
Yeah.
Food.
And of course over there the picnic area, so you can eat or you can stand up and eat, whatever the case is. Yo, that's a vibe. Yeah, I think the first thing I'm gonna try is definitely the shark and bake. I need that in my life. Yes. What about you, Julie? What are you getting? Huh? Alright. Sounds good.
Damn, the front of soup pots up people.
He got beer in there. I wonder if he got red stripe. Probably. Oh, look at that soup pot. Ja. Soup, corn soup, everything. Yo, this is a vibe. We're on our entire boat. Yo, one thing I realized is easy to get lost in here. A couple seconds ago, I lost y'all. I was just like, yo. Oh yeah. Anyway, so let's go to the shark and bakes real quick. Yo. So we're trying to find the shark and bake. It's somewhere down there. It's maybe like a 600-meter stretch, just people selling food. Oh yes. And everything smells good. The lobster and the pineapple, everything smells really good. Smells really Caribbean here, no joke. And it looks Caribbean too, because something smells real good. Vibes. Yo, real Caribbean. Watch out, Asian tickers, them in the back of here, things are going. You know. Yeah, a lot of people out here, so much people. You know, Caribbean flag them a wave. I'm happy I actually came out here, to be honest. Even though I did say like Carnival is not quite my thing, but yo, if you love girls, you love dancing, you love food, Miami Carnival, yo. And these food smells are killing me. The food. Alright, so we're on our way now to find shark and bakes. That's what we're looking for myself. Oh yeah, bacon shark. I'm gonna try that. Alright, definitely gonna try that. So quick little vibe. I just follow suit. So I see other people order this and I see how they set up them things. So shark, bake, lettuce, tomato, and a side order planting. I don't know, as Jamaicans, we love plant, yard planting. It's gonna be amazing, man. Jaja. Look like it's fried good too and everything like that, you see me? And I love bakes in general. I've always had those. Those are good. Okay, sauce on the side. All right, cool. Okay, what do I pay?
Maybe just now.
All right, cool. How much is it? All right. Look at that, yo. together came up to $42. Vibes. So the side order of plantains, it's a bunch of plantains, yo, but we'll work with it.
And then
Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Shark and big. I'm gonna try the shark just by itself, yo. Oh.
right, I think you got the same thing.
Oh. Moment. Tastes just like fish. Alright, I'm gonna try everything together. Oh yeah. Oh. Moment of truth, y'all. That plant tastes like candy. Like it don't taste like normal plant. And the bake, perfect. Perfecto, man. Oh. I have tamarind sauce on it and also garlic sauce. What did you get?
Grilled jumbo shrimp, seafood rice with crab, shrimp, mussels, and clams.
Okay, cool. How was it? Good? Yeah, it's really nice. Really, really, really good. Oh my God. They did it. They did it real good. Crime scene. Yo, done. They still have a little bit of stuff left back, but done my planting, done everything. Really good. Just like it's called, it's bakes and sharks, because really and truly the bake is the highlight of the dish, and I'm not gonna lie, that bake was really well done. I can imagine if it was like just done, super hard, crispy, or whatever, it would have been even over the top. But it is what it is, still good nonetheless. Yo, amazing, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna be here till about 11 o'clock, so I guess we'll continue waiting up a little bit before we try anything else. I know Jilly want to try the fried corn. Is it fried corn or something like that? Roast corn? Yeah, so yeah, that's gonna be that. But so far, beautiful vibe, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so we just we just done all the eating and things. So we're gonna walk to the spot, the music there and the vibes, that's it. Oh, over there look good.
I know.
I can smell that jerk chicken. And this lemonade is really good. It don't taste like it's fake or nothing. It just tastes like lemonade. Huh? It's not too sweet, it's just right. Just right.
Flag in the air. We're gonna take light.
So we just see a couple of revelers them go on to them things on the stage, show off them costumes. So right now we are gonna try to get something to drink, yeah? Alcohol.
Y'all can go here, that's for the strong.
The rum and coke and it's strong, but now we got this lemonade one. This one is Gucci. Love it, real good. Hey! Hey! Talking. Hey! When you feel like when I say nothing right. Sorry. I chopped the dog. I chopped it. What? Yo! Bad man forward, bad man pull up. Man forward, bad man pull up. Bad man pull up. Bad man pull up. Yo! So we are gonna walk over to the dancer section, so you don't know. After curve, mash up the dance floor, so. Hey! At the food station right now. Bunch of people. Seems like even a lot more people now trying to get some food in the night, yeah. And again, jerk chicken smell is reigning supreme. You can smell that jerk chicken. Yeah.
Yeah, boxing up! Yeah, boxing up! Oi! 15, 20! 15! Let me go! Get up the water. 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 Share the water down in the back. Share the water down in the back. Share the water. Share the water down in the back. Share the water. Wanna share the water? Everybody put the water in the air. Hold it up in the air for me, please. When I go to the next show, we go bless the place. We go bless the place. There we go. 1, 2, 1.
top bat.
Right. So when I jack.
Actually, I put some energy drink thing in there, so I'm good. Yo, it was a vibe. Man, I can't really sure I'm talking about it, cause go on good. Alright guys, it's almost 1 o'clock. There's I lay down and just forgot, was watching some Below Deck Sailing. Love that show. Anyway, besides the point. So the experience Carnival in Miami, and if I'm to be honest with you, I think every time I'm overseas, any bit of glimmer of Caribbean culture, it just makes you feel just a lot more comfortable. Like honestly, when I'm in the US, like listening to dancehall music is done a lot more prevalent for me as opposed to when I'm in Jamaica. It's just like I want to have a tether towards my island roots and stuff like that. And being out there today, just seeing, getting a chance to actually try sharks and bakes from, people who come from that culture was, really amazing. But however, I did still see a couple, cultural differences, because I can almost imagine that quite a bit of the persons that were there were actually descendants of Caribbean people, meaning, your mom and dad are Caribbean and you born in the US. So it was a little bit different. In Jamaica, we party a lot wilder than this carnival that I noticed. Because in Jamaica, a bunch of dancing when I go on. People are dancing. Some persons might say because of the COVID restrictions or whatever the case is, but I highly doubt it because a lot of persons never had on a mask for the entirety of the thing. But yeah, it was a vibe. Appreciated it, loved it. Yo, shout out to Kurt for putting it on the platter for going. I think in total, the total spend was maybe about $160 in terms of admission for Jillian and I and the food and everything, but it was worth it, completely worth it. And I would advise anybody that's in the US, if you're Caribbean or your woman is Caribbean or you just want to experience Caribbean culture, to check out the Miami Carnival. Amazing. Or if you just want to do street food like I did, definitely check it out. You had some, what did you have?
I had grilled shrimp, jumbo grilled shrimp with a seafood rice.
What culture is that?
I don't know what the hell it was, but it was good. I just didn't want the brown stew chicken and the jerk chicken. Yeah. I get all the time.
Because when I saw that, I was like, that don't look Caribbean at all. But if you guys know what culture that's from, drop it in the comments. Like, I have no clue. However, like I said, great vibe, amazing things. Anyway, we're going to sign off now and just continue watching some more Below Deck. If you guys watch it, drop in the comments. Remember these two things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep lane.